Today we will learn about the evolution of computers. Every aspect of our life in this present era has been influenced by the most advanced machine known as computer. Initially, computers were used only by scientists and engineers for complex calculations and were very expensive. But nowadays, computers can be afforded by small organizations and even individuals. Computers have now become a basic necessity because of their use at almost every workplace. Computers are used extensively in banks, hospitals, media and entertainment, industries, schools, homes, space technology and research, railway, airports, and so on. The term computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. But a computer is not limited to perform only calculations. A computer is a versatile device that can handle different applications at the same time. Students, can you tell me who is he? He is Andre Truong. Truong Thi, 1936 to 2005, a Vietnamese French engineer. He is considered to be the father of the personal computer for creating the microcomputer based on an Intel 8008 processor in 1973. Do you know how a computer came into existence? The present-day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculations. Let us glance through the major milestones in the journey leading to the evolution of present-day computer. Okay, know the fact that Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace was an English mathematician and writer. She is considered as the first programmer who suggested binary data storage 0 and 1 instead of the decimal number system. Okay students, let's talk about the history of computers. The need to keep track of numbers led to the invention of different calculating devices. Right from Abacus, the first counting device, many devices were invented, leading to the development of computers. Let us understand about the early calculating devices. 3000 BC, Abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations developed in China. It was made up of a wooden frame with rods, each having beads. The frame is divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod in heaven has 2 beads and each rod in earth has 5 beads. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Students know the fact that in 1617, John Napier made a calculating device, a set of rectangular rods called Napier's bones. The rods were made up of carved bones, which were used for performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and square roots. Pascal's calculator. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented an adding machine called Pascal's calculator or Pascaline at the age of 19 in the year 1642. It used gears, wheels and dials. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. The gear principle was further employed in many mechanical calculators. Taximeter is a perfect example of a mechanical calculator. Leibniz calculator. Leibniz, the famous German mathematician, improved on Pascal's machine in 1671. Leibniz calculator was a mechanical device. Apart from performing addition and subtraction, the Leibniz calculator could even do multiplication, division, and find square roots. Difference engine and analytical engine. Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, is considered as the father of computers. He invented a working model of mechanical computer called the difference engine in 1822 and the analytical engine in 1833. The analytical engine had 5 units: input, output, store, mill, and control. These units work like the modern computer. All the computers which are used nowadays are based on it. Store was used for storing the data, and mill was the calculating unit. Control unit was used for supervising all the units.